I'm Lucian Taylor. I'm one of the founders of Netistrar.com, and we are here to show you the how it works section of the Netistrar system. How it works, basically domain names and domain name purchase and wiring that up to things that matter, your website, your email, are divided into three parts. The first part is choosing a name, finding a name that works for you or your business. The second is hooking that up to a website, and the third is getting that to work so that you have personal email. The first thing and the most important thing is choosing a domain name, and we actually have an interesting article about tips for choosing a domain name, about the type of things that work. Short is good. Choose your domain name first, register your company second. Things like misspells can work for you. There are a lot of businesses out there who have built a whole internet presence based upon a misspelt word, made up or adapted word. And short is good in domain name land. So first of all, to help you get an idea of the type of domain names that are available, there's hundreds of new domain name endings, .com, .wales, .uk, that sort of thing. We've got a domain name chooser to help you think about sections and areas that you are based in, your sector, and how to actually think about domain names or domain name endings that may be good for your particular business. So if you're in education, you can look at things like .center, foundation, academy. If you're into technology, there's technology related domain names. And so we can swing between this category and domain endings chooser before we search for a name to zero in on the multitude of domain name endings that are available and find something that's of interest to us. You can't really demo this stuff without having a business. So let's think of a business. Let's think of this from a business point of view. We're based in Oxford in the UK, and let's make up a business for Oxford. Let's think about chocolate. So we've got a business in Oxford called Oxford Chocolate Company, and we want a domain name for our business. Well, the first thing is to avoid what we call generic domain names, things like .chocolate.com or chocolate.uk or choc.uk, because those are going to be taken and they're going to cost a fortune. And think about your specific name and how you can zero in on something that's short. We could try for oxfordchocolatecompany.com. I'm sure that, or something like that, would be available, but that's very long to say to people on the phone or to use in an email address. So let's try for oxfordchocs.com. And we're based in the UK, so I'm interested in what availability might be available around that, that's to do with our business. So we'll enter the search term Oxford Chocs, and the search results are coming in. We see the co-UK is not available, and I'll admit that I've already purchased that. We can see that other things are available, but we haven't got the one I'm interested in, which is the .com. So let's have a look at popular, and we can see that com is available. So oxfordchocs.com is available. So we'll add that to our cart, and we'll check out. To check out, we need to sign up. So I'm new, so I'm going to sign up here, and we'll provide a username of oxfordchocs.com, and we'll enter our email address of lucian@oxfordchocs@netistrar.com, and we'll create a password. Got to mix up the letters, numbers. There we go. We've passed all the password format tests. Next thing is, I hate these things, but we need them for security because robots are crawling the internet and trying to pretend that they're people. So we have to enter these security captures. So we're signed up. We've been sent an email. I can see that that's come into my email account. There's a link that we need to click just to confirm our email address. Okay, so we've received an email that says that we're now validated. So we go to the site and we log in. And this then takes us to the next phase, which is to provide our business name. And we're going to search for one of our addresses here at the Science Park. So we'll do one. There we are. And we'll use our developer's address here, which is Oxford Information Labs. There we are. And we'll copy the same for the billing details. First name of the pet is Fred, favourite colour is grey, and my mother's maiden name is Betty. And we'll finish that security information, and now we'll shop for that domain, which was Oxford Chocks, and it's the .com that's available. We've got that in the cart. We'll continue with the checkout. I'd already had that in the cart, so we'll continue checking out. We'll use our account details for the official record, and we'll continue. We pay by PayPal. We've got an order confirmation there. We've been emailed an order confirmation as well, and there it is for our records. So now we can manage that domain name here in our dashboard, and we can see that it's registered there, its status is active, and it's a domain name that we can now manage just by clicking on the domain name there. So in the next section, we're going to look at wiring that domain name up to a website and getting that name to resolve against a website. Thanks.